Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to get stupid shiny brass every single time. Okay, so here's the brass that's way shiny, pretty much like it's brand spanking new, which is awesome. So first off, you want a super shiny brass, you're going to want to use a wet tumbler rather than a dry tumbler. They do have polishers for dry tumblers, polishing media, but wet is the way to go. This is the FART, which stands for the Frankfurt Arsenal Rotary Tumbler. They make smaller ones, other brands make the similar ones, Horny makes one, but anyway, wet tumbling. Okay, second of all, you're going to want to use Lemi Shine. Now, I use probably about a teaspoon plus tax for a full load in that one, and this is Frankfurt Arsenal's bigger. That's holds about 1,000 223 cases. So it's about a teaspoon and a half, smaller if it's a smaller load. Okay, now as far as solutions to use, you can buy a specific solution for it, but I don't like to do that because then I have to buy it, and then I have to buy stuff for my guns, and it gets taken out of my regular gun budget. So if you can use stuff that's lying around your house, then your wife will never know that you're actually using it for gun stuff, and just buys out of your regular budget. So that's really nice. So as far as what to use, this is a regular laundry detergent. For the first time you tumble your brass and it's just dirt and grime from the range and maybe some soot, regular laundry detergent works great. And I do believe it's a little bit cheaper per volume. Maybe I'll do some math for that, but anyway. So that's what I usually use. However, after you use your lubricant, whatever it is, this is the lanolin mixture. Did a video on that. Post that here. You need to use some sort of dishwasher detergent, or you can use regular like degreasing dish soap, because the laundry detergent doesn't have the degreasing properties that the dish detergents and dish soaps do. So you have to use this. And I usually use probably about half a cup for a full thing. I don't honestly measure it. I just kind of send it, and tumble it. So, and if you do that, then you will get super shiny brass every single time. After you tumble your brass, you're not going to want to leave it in there for long periods of time, or else it can eat the zinc out of the copper zinc mix, which is what brass is, and then it'll weaken your brass. So you don't want to let it sit in there overnight or for a weekend or anything like that. Okay guys, if you have any questions or comments on how you tumble brass, please put it in the comments below. Okay guys, thanks. See you next time.